Hi, it's John14 Guy, and I'm going to do my car horn vlogs. This is the ODV Mifa. This is a Kia Sonic. This is the Mazda 2. This is the Subaru WRX. It's a manual car. This is the Hyundai Palisade. It's button controlled. This is a Jeep Wrangler. It's got manual and automatic gears. This is the Hyundai iMAX. This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's dual driving. This is a Ford Mustang. It's got a chrome interior. It's automatic. This is a Mustang convertible. Look at the interior. It's a nice interior. This is the Ford Everest. This is the Ford Everest.